Hello and welcome to Tooltime TV. I'm Glyn and this is my workshop, and today we have another eBay vintage haul delivery. So let's take you over to the bench and see what we've got. Now this eBay haul is all spanners. I paid £14.40 for these. I have loads of spanners. Don't really have much tendency to use them, but for that price you just got to pick them up, haven't you? You just bid on it, and then if you win, you win. I'm going to start off with these. Now these are obviously these have been cut and been used for. This would have been obviously a double-ended socket spanner, but they've sawn it off there. This would have been so big. Got like a big one up there, but yeah, they've chopped that off. That's a Bedford vanadium, made in England, real good, heavy duty. Yeah, you know, could use that. And there's another one the same here. It's not off the same. That's a Britool actually. They're good, mate. They're good, mate. Them Britool. I just noticed that there. It's a chunky one. Well, yeah, been used on it in the motor industry. That. Well been used, but yeah, unusual. I've not seen them like that before, cut off like that. A Gedore offset. Yeah, offset wrench. Spanner, sorry. Number 2, vanadium. 3/16. 1/8. So just let me get the camera positioned, going a bit too high. Yeah, not bad. Another offset. Oh, that's a Britool. Made in England. 4205. They're well made. Nice little socket that. Well, actually, do you actually use that? Probably will actually use these sort of spanners, but nothing of the bigger ones. There's a few big ones here coming up. Bedford vanadium, GB, Great Britain, British standard is that? 5/8, 11/16. 3/4, 7/8. Another chunky one, some weight in them, well made. OW2024. We have here another Gedore, made in Germany, number 6, vanadium. It's a 1 1/8. One. See that one? 15/16. Yeah. Let's look that one up. Another Gedore, number 6. Bit of rust on that one. Germany. They are different, both number 6 though, different size. A Gedore, another one, number 6, must be a set. 7/8, 3/4. It's a big one. Another chunky one, some big ones there. Too big for the drawer, might have to go on the wall. Here's another one. Bedford, another number 6. It's part of a set, it's got to be. Gedore. That's a Bedford, oh, that's different. Germany. These have hardly been used. Look at the condition in them. And these will clean up well. I'll just put them in here under the wire wheel. Get that bit of grime out of there. They'll come out really clean. Yeah. Some smaller ones here. These are the type of ones I'd use. Another Gedore combination. It's a nice one. 1/2 inch. Britool, England. They're good ones. I like the Britool ones. They're well made. Chrome alloy. These all have GB printed on them, so these are someone's initials. Are they? Need to look that up. They're just someone's initials, surely. They must have worked in the garage and someone kept nicking the spanners. GB again. Oh, King Dick. Oh, there's a good one. Yeah, these belong to someone. They're the initials. Thinking it was Great Britain. Right. Oh, look at that. Yeah, no, that's probably a set I would use. Bedford, another Bedford. Made in England. OW46. Another Gedore. Another GB. Germany. That's the type we'll use, yeah, number 18. It's a nice one. Another Britool. Can't really see the size on there. 3/15 and a quarter. Offset. And this is the last one, another offset, Gedore. 3/8 and 7/16. It's a cute one. I'll use that. So yeah, today was just an eBay haul of spanners. Sometimes you get a variety of stuff, and you know, so today was about spanners. So what do you reckon? £11.90. Bargain. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe. See you again soon. Bye.